Hi, I'm Scott Berry. I'm a broker associate on Janet Berry's luxury home team at Premier Plus Realty in beautiful Naples, Florida. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Collier County property taxes. I've been getting a lot of questions about property taxes in Collier County, particularly if you either purchased or sold your property this past year. One question I got this morning, actually, which prompted me to do this video, was they purchased a condo early this year, and he was going to pay the Collier County property taxes, and he was not sure if he had to pay just the amount for when he owned the property, if there was a portion that he had to pay, or if he had to pay the entire amount. So that's why I wanted to talk about it today. In Collier County, we do pay our property taxes in arrears. So at the end of the year, this year we're paying for 2020. We pay for the year that has just passed. First of all, let me also say that Collier County does offer a discount on property taxes if you pay them early. They're actually due in March, but they offer a 4% discount if you pay in November, 3% if you pay in December, 2% if you pay in January, and 1% if you pay in February. They're actually due in March, so there's no discount there, and then April they are considered past due. So I always recommend, if you have a $2,500 tax bill, that'll save you $100. So I always say if you can pay it early, it's usually a good idea to do so and take advantage of that 4% discount. Also, if your mortgage company, if you have a mortgage on your home and your mortgage company is escrowing the funds for your property insurance, I usually start bugging them in October to make sure that they pay in November, so that you can also take advantage of that discount if your mortgage company is going to be paying your taxes for you. I'm sorry, I've got some landscapers here. We're doing an inspection today, so I wanted to take a quick break to do this video, but the landscapers might drown me out here. But anyway, that's the way the property taxes work. So when you purchase a property, if you purchased a property in the past year, the closing agent would have prorated the amount of the taxes. So if you closed on April 1st, they would have prorated the amount of taxes for the year, and the seller would have been debited on their closing statement, and you would have been credited on your closing statement for the prorated amount of taxes. The closer estimates what the taxes are going to be at the end of the year, and they credit back the amount for the period of time that they own the property, that the seller owned the property. So you're going to get a credit on your closing statement, and then at the end of the year when you're paying your taxes, you've already received the credit for when the seller owned the property, so you're just going to pay for the entire year. Every time I get a phone call, my video drops. Anyway, just to summarize, when you purchase a property, the closing agent is going to estimate the amount of taxes that you're going to have to pay at the end of the year for the property that you're purchasing. They're going to take the prorated amount for the period of time that the seller owns the property, and they're going to credit that back to you at closing. So at the end of the year, you're going to pay for the entire year, but you will have received the prorated amount from the seller at closing for the period of time that they owned the property. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that I also made sense describing the discounts that you can that are available to you by paying your property taxes early as well. As always, if you ever have any questions, just feel free to text me or call me or shoot me an email. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. I do like taking little breaks like this when we're in the middle of something to shoot a short video for something that I get a lot of questions about.